Huh. Huh. I don't know. Really, I don't know. I think the modern education system is more or less universal. So one I noticed, of course, the modern education really brings, I think, openness in their mind. I noticed in South Africa and also in Jordan, some young student who speak English fluently, and also is really educated in according to the modern system. Whether in Africa, whether in Muslim country, or whether in India, everywhere. You see, I think the similar sort of thinking. So much easier to communicate. Then those native people who still not sort of modern educated, then their own sort of tradition something a little bit isolated. So then difficult. So that I notice. So modern education is so important, and like this institution. There's so many countries. I mean, students come from so many countries and study together, and knowing each other is extremely useful. That's really, I think, very, very effective sort of contribution for develop the global citizen, global community. It's wonderful.
Yes. Thank you. Let me open up now to possibly some questions from some of our other stage guests. President Ferraro.
Your Holiness, let me just follow up with President Armstrong's last question. This country has had a long history of students coming from around the world to be educated in the United States. That's an enormous cost to the student and or the family and or their government, one of those sources. What is your feeling about the responsibility of American universities, when invited, bringing education to a host country?
Yesterday, my public talk, or I think yesterday morning, I think you were there. No, I mentioned some American values: democracy, openness, transparent, free information. I think these values, I think universal value. I think some problems we are facing, like in our own case, they're dealing with Chinese, not Chinese as a whole, but Chinese is a communist. See, they grown up with certain sort of, training, or ideologically training. So it seems to see their mind not open enough.
Fixed.
Something fixed. And I think they carry certain sort of activities on the basis of their own mental projection picture. So former Soviet Union also, you see, carry that. And then there is some in Arab countries also, you see, I think, because through centuries remain isolated. so little knowledge about outside world. Compare that, I think India, because of British sort of ruler introduced English language and modern education. So Indian, I think, generally speaking, I think much, much better to deal with outside world. So as a result, now India, perhaps I think other sort of the factor also there, but one thing, India's democracy, rule of law, freedom of speech. So compare some of the neighboring states, India is much, much stable. Even some problems here and there always come surface, that's all. Others country, closed society, some unrest there, but all suppressed. So essentially, more serious. So therefore, the American, when you carry some help or program in education in other country, I think American, the values, the universal values, democracy, openness, free speech, and then independent judiciary, these things I think very important. Some country were not happy these things, but I think worthwhile to educate people. This I feel. So yesterday I expressed, sometimes in recent sort of months or recently after economic crisis, worldwide economic crisis happened, some people even is praising authoritarian system, the capitalist system, free market. Some people is a little doubt, right? That's I think not, because it is not correct. I think human society, not only money but other values. Ultimately, the money also is related with these fundamental rights or fundamental value. So American should feel proud your traditional value, democracy, freedom, freedom of faith, freedom of expression, and independent free media, and independent judiciary. I think these you should feel proud. So economic field, economical aspect, some difficulties, but that does not mean America failing. No, there are other values there. Some economies progress cannot compete these basic human values. That I think.